Every day I used to live inside small moments of solitude, a solitude that became the oldest companion of my life. I would walk among people, enter crowded places, leave crowded places, yet feel like a ghost, a wandering soul unseen by human eyes. Everyone was running, the world moved too fast. Faces passed like storms, eyes no longer knew how to look deeply. They glanced, they escaped, they forgot. And there I stood in the middle of everything, turning around myself, asking questions without answers. Where am I supposed to go? Why am I here? Why does everyone move except me? And in the middle of that endless confusion, I found a hand reaching toward me, not violently, not impatiently, but gently, as if it had known me for centuries. It took me and led me toward you, toward your chest, toward your warmth, toward something my soul recognized before my mind understood it. And strangely, I followed willingly, not because your hands forced me, but because my heart had already begun walking toward you. Long before we met, you looked at me and smiled. And when you wrapped your arms around me, I felt something I had never known before. Safety, not the safety of walls, nor locked doors, nor empty promises, but the safety of being seen completely and still being held gently. And suddenly, the cold corners inside me began to melt. You ran with me and carried me beyond this world, toward another place, toward our place, our world, our sanctuary, our silent temple. There were no crowds there, no noise, no racing footsteps, no frightened hearts trying to survive another day. Only us, walking beside the sea, our feet moving together, sometimes touching soft sand, sometimes kissed by the water. And the waves came laughing toward us, playful, bright, as if the ocean itself was witnessing the birth of something eternal. And there, or perhaps here, because with you I no longer understand distance. You came closer to me. You did not need words, you did not need explanations, you did not need language. Your embrace told me everything. So I closed my eyes and smiled softly. And when I opened them again, your lips were already touching mine, hungry, gentle, aching, like two lovers who have been separated since the beginning of creation. And between your lips, your eyes, your heartbeat, your whispers against my skin, my heart composed a hymn so beautiful. The sky itself began painting colors around us. Birds sang above our heads, the wind moved slowly around our bodies, and time itself seemed unwilling to disturb us. Then suddenly I remembered that lonely corner, that dark place where I once sat alone, watching endless sunsets and sunrises, countless days without meaning, without warmth, without life. And when I opened my eyes again, I saw an endless sea before me, a sky without limits, and your eyes with neither beginning nor ending. And in that moment, I finally understood. I had found myself cruelty of time, beneath the weight of wounds, beneath the impossible riddles of life. And suddenly I was no longer running away from myself. I was returning home, because you became my home, my country, my prayer, my escape from the world. And my heart kept beating, beating so violently that even my mind could no longer silence it. My heart and mind argue endlessly, but your whispers in my ear ended every war between them. You turned them both into prisoners of love. And days passed, or perhaps years, I no longer knew, I no longer knew. Mornings from nights, no time from eternity. I knew only one thing, I loved you, and my soul knew no path anymore except the one leading toward your heart. And every kiss from you felt less like desire and more like destiny, as if your lips were teaching my soul a language forgotten before birth. You kissed me slowly, as though trying to memorize me, until I could no longer tell, until I could no longer tell where your heartbeat ended and mine began. Every day I used to live inside small moments of solitude, a solitude that became the oldest companion of my life. I would walk among people, enter crowded places, leave crowded places, yet feel like a ghost, a wandering soul unseen by human eyes. Everyone was running, the world moved